Hello! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch 4 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to update applications on this watch. Before we start, if you want to update applications on your watch needs to be connected to the internet. You can connect it to the Wi-Fi network or use the mobile network if you want. And once the watch is connected to the internet, we can continue. Now we can wake up the screen on our watch by pressing the Chrome button. Then we can press the Chrome button again to open the menu. And once the menu opens, scroll through it, find the app gallery icon, looks like this. And once you find it, tap on it to open the app gallery. In the app gallery, you should see this page, the home page of it. Once you see this page, you can scroll down and at the bottom, we have a couple of options and one of them is the update option. Tap on the update option. And here we have the list of applications we can update. And as you can see, we have only one, HMS Core, and we can update the app by tapping on Update. But if you have more than one apps on the list, you can tap on Update All and update them all at once. Or maybe not at once, but they're gonna be queued to update and they will start updating one by one. Okay, so let's tap on the Update button. And let's wait until the updating process is complete. Let's check the progress. It's on 27%. So let's wait. Okay, as you can see, the update is complete. And once the application updates, it will disappear from this list. If your watch is paired with a phone, you can also do this through the phone application. So I'm gonna bring my phone right here. Zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen like this. And wake up the screen, unlock it. On our phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Huawei Health application like this. Once you open the app, you probably will see the health page. Once you see it, tap on Devices, select your Watch 4 Pro, and here scroll down and find the App Gallery option and tap on it. Now tap on Manager. And then, as you can see, we have the updates page, and on it we don't have any apps because there was only one update. But if you had any updates available, they will appear right here, and you can then tap on the update button to update the application. Okay, and that's how you update applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.